Creating a notebook for SQL or Python workflows is pretty simple. So we're going to click on this Create Notebook on the home screen in Snowflake. You can name your notebook, adjust or configure the notebook location, configure these other settings here. We're just going to click on Create because everything looks good. And once this is created, you can explore the database tables associated with your notebook. To do that, we're going to click on Databases at the top menu here, and this is the database that we're connected to, so we're just going to click on that, and we can click on Hotels and then Tables to expand to Reviews. And this gives us the schema, the dimensions, as well as the data types. If we click on More Options, you can view the definition, that is the SQL definition, in order to create the table. You can also preview the data so you can get an idea of what this data actually looks like. You can also explore the data by hovering over one of the cells and clicking on plus SQL, and in the cell type short for describe table, and then we'll call hotels and reviews. So hotels.reviews, and click on run display button in the cell. So this returns the dimensions, the data type, and all this other information for your table. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.